Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT for keyword research. This might be a use case that you are not familiar with, and I hope it can really help you out. It's very easy to do. First, I format. What I want to do is just paste this in here. I copy it previously. I said I need help with keyword research. Give me as many keywords you can relate to ClickBank. Then enter. Here are some keywords related to ClickBank, affiliate marketing, digital product, commission rates, product, and keyword here. Then I say give me as many, and I test this out previously and it just kept going and going. So I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to cut it so we don't have to wait for them load, and let's see what we get here. Okay, it's actually didn't take too long, so let's go back up. So you can see I am not going to throw all of them, but like affiliate marketing, digital product, commission rates, online marketing, passive incomes, then affiliate program, then ClickBank affiliate marketing. So what I do, give me even more keywords, and if I scroll up a little, you will see we have even more. You can see what we had before, added some more, and I'm not sure if all these are going to be completely unique or completely different. It's look like they are. Obviously you might have some overlaps, so that's just an example of it. Let's go back a new chat and let's talk a little bit more about how maybe you can find more board keyword once again. All right, so with this one I said give me long tail keyword related affiliate marketing. Let's test this out and see if they are actually long tail or keywords to begin with. I'm not sure if I would categorize those as long tail keyword. I usually see them as being even longer than that. Usually long tail keyword, in my opinion, some of the best one have been like affiliate marketing case studies here, but they don't get, and people usually don't create either videos or article based upon this really long keywords. So let's generate some more. As expected, I did, and the demand is very high. I usually, when that happen, I post and it doesn't work. So what I want to do now, I just going to different examples, something that's little bit bored. All right, so give me keyword ideas that are related to internet marketing. Pretty simple. Let's hit enter and see what we get. All right, so we went board and it's brought us exactly what we got, like mobile marketing, video marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing. How about those? Let's take by say the give me social media marketing keyword ideas. Let's run this. A little bit more niche down, but I think we can do better. Copy is my original. I guess promote you could say here, and I'm just going to Twitter marketing. I just copy it and paste in there. And this is the first time where we actually got a bunch of commands instead of being like the bullet point from. So overall, as we had learned, I think you just need to be more specific and don't be afraid of asking it more questions. So if you go for keyword research, be a little bit more specific. Give me more example when it's come to Twitter. If you have any question, feel free to leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, as I'll be doing plenty more AI related video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.